This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, steering wheel mounted controls, a keyless entry system, active fuel management, trailer wiring, tinted glass, stability control, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, and cruise control. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Vandergriff Chevrolet, the Metroplex's volume leader, is located at 1200 Interstate 20 West, Arlington, Texas, just across from the Parks Mall in South Arlington.